Alright. Guys, my name is James. I'm in Africa and I'm cutting off my hair. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure you hit subscribe button if you have not. And I love you guys. We Africans, we love each other. I was born in DRC Congo, and DRC of course is found in Africa. So bro, tell me where you come from.
Man, I came from Congo.
You came from Congo. How is Congo?
Congo is one of greatest country in Africa that has a lot of resources. If I say resources, I mean gold, a satellite.
And why you have all those things but you're not in your country?
No.
What's the reason for you
The main
for being outside?
The main reason that caused me to migrate here was in Congo there is some conflicts, like there is the war.
There is war?
Yes.
Okay.
There is a lot of war.
Okay. And how about this nigga who is carrying off the Baba? What is his name?
The Baba? The Baba is called the Clovis.
Clovis?
Yes.
Okay, bro, Clovis, how is your country? Which country do you come from?
Clovis has a challenge.
Which challenge?
A language barrier.
Oh, he has a language barrier.
Yes.
And which country does he come from?
He came from Burundi.
He came from Burundi.
Yes.
Or Burundians don't speak English?
No, they use French. A lot. They use French and Swahili. Can the other boy whom I'm seeing behind me, can he speak English?
Bro, hi.
No.
Hi, bro.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm good.
What's your name?
My name is Ephraim.
Your name is?
Ephraim.
Oh yeah, and how is Burundi? How is Burundi?
Burundi is a camp.
I'll stop laughing. Burundi is it? Burundi is it?
In the camp.
Is it?
Camp.
Country. Oh yeah. And what do you eat in Burundi?
Burundi.
Food.